Hello, today we're taking a look at the brand new Adidas Predator Teamgeist. These are very, very special and they're amazing. So they come in this Adidas limited collection box. Nothing too fancy about it. It is a very well built box. Here's a look at the label. Picked these up in the UK 10.5. They were £240 on Adidas. They arrived within 1 day, which is pretty impressive. So we'll slide these open. They do come with their own boot bag, which has the Predator detailing on the front and on the back. A little bit disappointed there's no gold detailing on it, which would match the boots, but yeah, that's a little bit of a shame. And then open these up, and here they are. They look absolutely fantastic. So move the boots to the side, and then I'll put the box away and we'll take a closer look. So Adidas brought these out along with a remake of the 2006 Germany World Cup ball. That's the original one up there. But these are the boots that came out. They're absolutely fantastic. Honestly, one of the best colorways they've done of the Predator 25 in my opinion. So on the outside you can see you have the Teamgeist detailing, and then on the back you have the logo, which is different to the rest, which I really do like. It's just small details like that just make the boot so much better. Also, it is a classic hybrid touch upper as you get on all the Predator 25s, but this gold detailing now wraps all the way around the toe, which I really like as well. Just adds that different dynamic to the front of the boot when you're looking at it from above, which makes it look so much better in my opinion. The strike skin is in like a see-through white, which matches the upper. It means it doesn't stand out too much. It kind of blends in, which I really do like as well. I'm pretty much liking everything about the boot. One detail that I wasn't expecting, however, on the outside, if you look at this wavy pattern here, there's a section here which looks green on either side. It's not something I was expecting. I don't mind it. I just don't know if it goes with the white, black, and gold. White, black, gold, and green, I'm not sure about. Let me know down below what you think, because you can see this green section here, but I don't know. I think it would have looked better without it. The tongue on the front is white with the Adidas logo in gold. Yeah, this is really clean. White and gold works so well together. And then if we lift up the tongue, you can see the laces are in black. I would have preferred these to be in white, but obviously you won't really see them because the tongue covers it. The embroidered Adidas logo on the inside is gold. Yeah, looks fantastic. Spinning the boot round to the bottom and looking a look at the sole plate, you can see the gold detailing on the top here and on the bottom corner. Maybe they could have added some Predator detailing here. They've actually got the text, but it's pretty hard to see. I know I've asked for less Predator detailing on most of them, but I think this one deserved it. If you're looking to buy a pair, they're still in stock on Adidas, I believe. I picked these up in a 10.5. I'm usually a true to size Nike 10, so that gives you, go half a size up in terms of your Nike sizing, I would say. It's a fantastic boot in terms of its performance. I've worn the original Champagne 24, 25 pair, which is up there. Love it. The toe box reshape makes it really good around the toe box area. It's not too narrow, it's not too wide, fits my feet really well, and the hybrid touch upper molds around your feet perfectly. Little bit of a shame these only came in FG. Would have liked to see them in SG as well. However, FG is the only version you could get. However, you can get people who can convert it to SG. Still disappointing there's no AG. A lot of people nowadays play on AstroTurf. Would have been nice for them to do an AstroTurf version, but I don't really know whether or not, because they did it on the red pair, so surely they could do it on every pair. Another small detail that you will notice, on the insole you get the logo there as well, which is a fantastic little bit of detail. Honestly, Adidas just keeps bringing out brilliant colorways and I have to keep buying them. But let me know down below in the comments, what do you think of this brand new pair? Is it one of the best colorways they've done? In my opinion, it's definitely up there. Not sure if it's up there compared to the Moments pair. The Moments was significant to me just because I was at that game and it's a brilliant original colorway. Let me know down below in the comments if you want me to get the remake of the ball, and I'll do a comparison between the two balls as well. But yeah, these are the Adidas Predator Teamgeist. Fantastic colorway. Yeah, big fan of these.